To Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 16, 2023, 5 star Sudoku. Column C, we have 1, 7, 3. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We'll confirm later. Then the first grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, column C. On 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row and 4th grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row, 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th grid and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 2nd grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 4. 4th row and 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, we have pair numbers, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 2nd grid, we'll have 8. So it can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2nd grid, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 5. 8th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. 9th row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm it. Then 8th grid, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 9th grid, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. The 9th grid, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 2nd grid, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 3. 3rd grid, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 2nd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 3rd grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H on 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.